Hello there, Johnny Graham here, Managing Director of Inward Revenue Consulting. I'd like to talk to you today about a role, it's hot off the presses, came in a few days ago. It's an enterprise level sale working for a public listed client of ours. They have an incredible client list. It really is an A to Z of global enterprise organizations. They're a very acquisitive business. They're going through a number of spectacular acquisitions recently. The technology, and I think what's exciting about this role is, I spoke to the client the other day and I said, how are you? He said, I'm knackered. And I said, why? And he said, I'm absolutely rushed off my feet. So they're selling a solution and a technology that is pretty strong in good times, but actually is very valuable to a lot of the organizations they sell it to in the current economic climate. So if you're looking for a little bit of a safe haven through the next couple of years, this really is a good potential option. It's a new business sales role. The company has made some massive marketing investments in the last few months, but the client was very keen to be clear that it will be more about you finding opportunities than them bringing them to you, as that marketing investment they've made, it might not start to really kick in for 6 to 9 months as they've brought new people into the team and are really pushing that. It is there, but it's just not ready. So you will need to be good at self-generating and creating your own opportunities, and the people that do so thrive tremendously there. It's a UK-wide role. There might be a little bit of international travel when we finally get our masks off and maybe get a vaccine of some sort. It's selling a data management solution that connects to ERP and provides huge return on investment for organizations, particularly around areas like supplier management and procurement. So if you understand things like procurement, Office of Finance, ERP, even CRM, data analytics in particular, one of the key areas where this business does very, very well is in analytics around key procurement scenarios. If you understand any of that stuff, you'll be a good match to this job. It's an enterprise senior level role. They really are targeting, and you really will be selling at C-level. If you're not somebody that's got that C-level experience, either in the Office of Procurement or the Office of Finance or somewhere in an organization, you're probably not that right for it. What are they looking for? Somebody who either gets data management, master data management, maybe from an ERP background, somebody who gets where big pools of data from suppliers or customers sit in an organization. Somebody that my client referred to as a strong, happy new business hunter, i.e. somebody who's quite happy going after net new name accounts, good experience in the enterprise, good connections, good prospecting skills, somebody who's comfortable in a real sales environment. There's a lot of companies at the moment that have been through the mill in the last few years that are startups that aren't really true old school sales cultures. This is a proper sales environment. It's targeted, it's driven, it's fast moving. Somebody who is comfortable with what is a mixture of home and office working. They have office locations in the Northwest, the South Coast, a fabulous location in the city. Currently, obviously, the entire business is working from home. When time allows, people will start drifting back to offices in dribs and drabs. So it will be an office-based contract. That notwithstanding, it's predominantly home working currently, and it will be a mix of the two when things begin. Package, the client pays an 80k flat package, which accounts for all your bits and bats in terms of your car allowance and your basic. So think of it as 75 plus 5 as a car allowance. And then there are a couple of other bits, healthcare and stuff around it. Commission's fantastic. It really is a very high reward culture. If you're interested, apply via the buttons below. You're probably looking at the page now. Look down, go on, and you'll see a button. It says, are you interested, yes or no? If it says yes, click the yes button, give Angus some details, and we'll get back to you straight away. Thank you. Goodbye.